Hello everyone, my name is Barbara. I'm a Polish girl who lives in Ireland and likes to knit, and today we have unboxing, and it's a KnitCrate. Actually, if you haven't watched it, I unboxed a March KnitCrate membership and I received these two beautiful skeins and I haven't even touched them. And you may notice, and check the bar down below, you know that little thing that you have to click and you see more? You will see what I've knitted with the KnitCrate yarn before, and you can see that almost I'm spot on every month. But for this one, oh, it's so pretty. Hoarding. But I arrived from work and I received this at my door. In March, we had a bit of a hiccups in regards post in Ireland. So I may think, is it an ARTisan KnitCrate? Let's see. Just quick thing, I'm receiving boxes from KnitCrate, so I'm very grateful for them, and they're so generous. They're sending us 20% off. Just use KL20 for your first subscription. Check them out, they have few subscriptions. Now they're actually changing some names of some. Double check what you have. Now, it is March. Sneak peek! Bang! What do we have? Sugar. So they're beautiful cards, so it's exactly the same theme that was going on with KnitCrate membership. So we have yarn, we have patterns, we have extras, and we have even some coupon codes over here. So let's see what I got. Okay, so we have two patterns over here, one for beginner, one for the intermediate advanced. So for the beginner we have breezy. So for the beginner we have breezy Kristen. It looks comfy. For intermediate, we have Sky. More. Butterfly boxes. This month theme is helping refugees in America. I found another card which says pistachio, and this is pistachio.com. If you have too much yarn, checking out what you can do. Now, who said we have too much? Okay. Before I pull, there's something more. The fun thing is a sheet. So cute. We probably can make a sweater. This is acrylic sheep scrap yarn saver bobbin. So cute. So cute. Okay, let's go to yarn. 1, 2, 3. 3 different colors. Empty. Okay. So let's start with this one. Be So Tender co-yarn. Be So Tender co-yarn. Over here represents color quite well. This is Lagoon. Be So Tender yarn, 100% certified organic cotton. Number 4 medium worsted weight yarn. We have over here 113 grams, which is 128 meters, 140 yards. Hand spun effect. Let's go deeper. That's blue. Beautiful. And purple, ultraviolet. Beautiful. So unfortunately it's a little bit late because it's April, so the post slowed down things a bit actually. Beautiful. You know what I want to do? Thank you so much KnitCrate for sending this lovely box my way. And I hope you're going to grab yours too. Don't forget to use scale 20. There's normally a surprise, unless you want to have a sneak peek a little bit how the colors looks like on KnitCrate's Instagram. I sometimes do that. However, there's always, most of the times there is a surprise. With these, I think we knew a little bit what colors we're going to get. And it's quite fun that we got 3, not 3 the same ones. But most of the times you will have 3 or 4 colors available. However, we can pick. This is a surprise. Whatever arrives at your doorway, once you open it, you'll know what it is. I hope you enjoyed this one. See you next one. Don't forget to use hashtag knitting I love. Show me what you're knitting. Don't forget to use hashtag KnitCrate. Show them what you're doing with their yarn. Don't forget to check the down bar down below and see what I've already knitted with KnitCrate yarn. I hope you enjoyed this one. See you next one. Bye! Tell me, what did you get lately?